Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I have something very interesting to share with you. I am in my backyard, and if you look closely under this drum, yes, right there's a visitor. It's a beautiful street cat that often comes to my home. She has the most stunning eyes I have ever seen. She is just sitting there, hiding in the shadows of the drum, looking a bit hungry. I felt bad for her, so I brought some fresh bread. I'm placing it right there near the drum. Come on, little one, don't be shy. But listen, she is just meowing from under there. She won't come out. Maybe she's shy, or maybe she's a bit scared, or maybe bread isn't her favorite today. She just keeps meowing with those bright eyes, watching me. I didn't want her to stay hungry, so I went back inside and grabbed something interesting. You'll see the next. So I came again, but she didn't come. Look at her. She's just sitting. I know she is hungry, but she is not ready to eat some bread. So I decided to go inside and grabbed a shopper. I have brought some chicken bones this time. I thought if she doesn't want the bread, maybe she'll love the chicken. I really don't want her to go to sleep on an empty stomach. I'm setting it all up nicely for her right now. Okay, I'm just setting up the food so she can just try it easily. I'm opening up for her. Now the food is ready. I have put the chicken bones and the bread together. I think she's nervous because I am standing too close. That's why she is not coming. So I'm just setting this. So I'm going to step back and move a bit far away. Hopefully, once she feels alone and safe, she will come and she will come out from under the drum and finally eat. I have been waiting for a few minutes now. She is still under the drum, meowing away. It's like she is telling me a long story. Those green eyes are glowing in the shade. But wait, something else is happening. Do you see that? Some uninvited guests have noticed the feast. Look, two birds just flew down, and now here comes a third one. They aren't scared at all. They have started eating the bread, and oh my god, they are actually enjoying the chicken bones too. I have never seen birds eat like this before. They are literally having a party with the cat's dinner. It's getting funnier to watch this. I tried to feed a cat, but I ended up hosting a dinner party for the birds. Life is full of these little unexpected moments of joy. Even though the cat didn't eat, I'm glad someone's belly is full today. Yeah, how lovely is that? They're all together. Thanks for watching this funny and sweet moment with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily life stories. Bye.